In this video, I'm making a folding paper drawing. You're watching Studio Brushpen, as mysterious as a box of frogs. It's time to try another folding drawing. Today's drawing was suggested by Isla and Abbie, who wanted to see a narwhal party. At the end of the video, I'll show you what they came up with too. Let's see what happens. So that's my folding drawing of a narwhal party. And now let's have a look at Isla's drawing. Isla has some fantastic decorations and a couple of ghosts joining the party. Abbie drew a number of different sea creatures in her party. I think that turtle might need a little help. Thanks to Abbie and Isla for their folding drawings. Any last words, girls?
You've been watching Studio Brushpen.